Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a topic called West Nile virus. Before we have studied Zika virus, you remember? So something like that, West Nile virus, how it is affected, how it is transmitted, everything. We'll just study. We'll start with the question. The nurse is answering questions at a hospital-sponsored health fair. Wow. What action should the nurse encourage to help prevent contracting West Nile virus? Select all the reply. So the nurse, she is performing in a health fair, and what all are the actions she should encourage to prevent the transmission of West Nile virus? So option 1, avoid raw unpeeled fruits or vegetables. Option 2, limit contact with infected pets. Option 4, use insect or mosquito repellent. Option 5, wash all beddings in hot water. Option 5, wear long sleeve light colored clothes. Okay. So we said that it is a West Nile virus. So what is that? First is for we should study. It is a mosquito-borne disease or the virus that is transmitted by mosquito bite. So that is the client have problem encephalitis that occurs mainly during the summer months, especially during the humid weathers. Prevention focuses on avoiding mosquitoes and using an insect repellent because the transmission is such a way. Prevention also includes wearing long sleeves, long pants and light colors clothing, and avoid outdoor activities especially during the dusk and dawn, because that time the mosquitoes are very active and the chances of getting a mosquito bite it will be more. That's why we should avoid outdoor activities during the time. So these are some of the points that is related. It's a very small topic, just you should have an idea. That's why we discuss, because I have seen some questions related to this one. So we'll come back to our question. See what all are our answers. Option 3 is correct, right? Because use insect or mosquito repellent. Then option 5 also correct, wear long sleeved light colored clothes. So our answers are option 3 and 5. Why other options are wrong? We will see. See here, the first one they said avoid raw unpeeled fruits or vegetables. That is usually what time the foodborne disease or contaminated foodborne disease, hepatitis A or typhoid, that time. So this is not related to West Nile virus. So that's why option 1 is wrong. Then limit contact with infected pets. Yeah, the infected pets problems, what are the times it will occur? Limiting contact with infected pets usually is a classic of active of avoiding ringworm infection or any superficial fungal infection. This is a good classic advice for avoiding ringworm or fungal infections. So that's why option 2 is wrong. Then what was the wrong option? Yeah, option 4, wash all bedding in hot water. That time, like when the client has scabies, we will advise this one. And the client, those who have a problem with allergies or asthma, that is the time we will give this advice. Scabies, you know, it is a contagious infection, right? It requires isolation also, like contact and standard isolation. So these are some of the points related to West Nile virus. I hope it's clear. Please study well, and it's a very small topic. If you have any doubts, would you like to discuss more questions related to any of the topics that we have been discussing for the past 2 or 3 weeks, please mention in the comment box and we will try to include more topics and more questions. So I wish you all the best to all of you. Please study well and do good for your exams. Bye bye.